Habang nagluluto ako, there's something thoughts that come into my mind. And one of those is that it's not our expectations who failed us. It's our too much expectations does. Did you get it? Hindi naman nakaka-disappoint yung expect. It's usually meron talaga. Lahat tayo ay nag-expect. So, such as in giving love. So, we give love or we show love as we expect that the people we do the same. Not just in romantic way, but in the other terms such as for friendship like that. But specifically in romantic love, like we usually expect na